This is your tasting for the Four Roses small batch. So the Four Roses distillery is quite unique when it comes to bourbon because they've actually got 10 different recipes that they pull from. These they do based on the distillery, as well as their mash bill, as well as the style of whiskey they're producing, and then they also do different strains of yeast. So they've got like kind of 4 labeling elements. They do 2 different types of mash bill, so with different combinations of corn, rye, and malted barley. As well as a number of different styles of yeast to produce different flavor profiles. So this bourbon in particular, the Four Roses small batch, is a combination of 4 of those recipes. So you use both styles of mash bill inside of the whiskey in equal parts, but then they use different styles of different types of yeast in order to accentuate some of the dry, kind of spicy and rich notes, and then some of the fruitier notes as well. So very interesting approach. And one that can produce, any number of different results. Hence the reason why they'll use specific recipes in order to create specific styles of bourbon. So if we have a go at this whiskey, once again, a lot of bourbons have got that wonderful rich color to it, very nice and deep and hearty. Magnificent nose on this. You're going to find toffee, you're going to find cinnamon, you're going to find spices, kind of like the stone fruits, I suppose, is the easiest way to put it. Peaches, nectarines, maybe some apricot in there too. Fantastic nose on this. So if you have a taste of that, you're going to find a similar kind of richness, kind of a little bit oak influence too. But what I quite like about this is that they've also got hints of raspberry and maybe a little bit more tropical kind of brighter fruits that come through. So very, very pleasant flavor profile, a lot of cinnamon and honey and vanilla to finish it off. Very easy drinking, and you can see how they've managed to add both sides in there. There's definitely some fruit in there, but there's also still quite a nice little amount of spice that goes on. So a fantastic drinking bourbon this, and I'm one that you are sure to enjoy. Four Roses small batch.